Riko. I'm currently studying in Singapore at NTU. I'm a year 3 student and I'm studying business and marketing.
Hello everyone, I'm Neka and I'm from Cambodia. Currently I'm a senior and also a dual degree student majoring in business at the American University in Phnom Penh and University of Arizona.
So day-to-day at the office, we basically help out with campaigns. We mostly do research and also data analytics for ongoing campaigns.
So just like Riko mentioned, we really enjoy the creative aspect of our workplace because we not only help our company establish themselves, but we also help other companies target the right audience and place the right placement for that advertising. So the reason why I picked this company because as a business student, I believe having diverse cultural knowledge is very crucial in today's world.
Yeah, and also ADMERASIA has a very diverse client base, and this really helps me get real-world experience with digital media. So the program really appealed to me because it's held in New York and I really love the city, and the experience with CCIP has been really good so far.
So just like Riko, it's very appealing to me because it gives me a chance to step out of my comfort zone to work in a new cultural context and also to get to live here in New York and meet a lot of people.
So my advice would be to embrace the experience with an open mind and also to always have a growth mindset.
I myself strongly believe that by stepping out of your comfort zone and meet new people and embrace your challenges is very crucial.
So our slogan for FUSIA is where diversity meets opportunity.
So I believe that this applies to FUSIA leverage its diversity of its participants and create more doors and also more opportunities.